back to the channel, guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to drain the tank on a 3rd gen Camaro or a Firebird. So this car's been sitting, I've redone the motor and everything, getting things back together, but I like to drain the old fuel from the tank. The easiest way I figured out was I still had the fuel lines off going to the TPI. There's 2 lines, obviously, feed and a return. Bigger line, which goes to the top here, is your feed, and the bottom is the return, which is here, and that's a smaller line. Anyhow, so the feed line, I have a hose hooked up to it and a can sitting here. Couple different ways of doing this. I don't have a battery in the car. Here's your fuel pump relay, but the easiest way to jump that, to run the fuel, I have a battery charger, and I got the ground wire hooked up here. And if we go inside of the car, your data link connector, which is here. So if you look at that connector, this is the way it's mounted. This pin here, which is G, is your fuel pump pin. So I've basically taken the other lead from my charger, and I have a pin going into G. Basically what that's doing is feeding 12 volts to the pump circuit. So with that, if I just flip this switch on, you can hear the pump kick in. There's not much fuel in it, but you can see it coming out. Now you don't want to run the pump dry. That will overheat it and burn the pump up. So I'm just about done here. That's the easiest and the quickest way to drain the old fuel out of the tank instead of removing the tank. Hopefully that's helped somebody out. We'll be firing this thing up pretty soon here. I thank you for watching.